Hey, this is Dave Ferreira from Fortified Realty Group, and today's 60-second spotlight is 124 Laurel Street in Fall River. Brand new construction house. Look at this place. Amazing. High-end finishes throughout. Hardwood floors. From the living room to the dining room, look at the kitchen. Granite, beautiful refrigerator and appliances. Those knee walls are great for furniture, and decorations. Coming down, you got a little hallway here with a coat closet, half bath with laundry. Very nice touch. Upstairs, this is the main bath. All right, nice low maintenance fiberglass tub. Coming across the, right outside there's a linen closet. Coming across the hall, first bedroom. Very nice. Look at the detail throughout. That's what you're gonna notice, all right? The trim around the windows, the doors. Here's the second bedroom. All right, and now we get right into the master. Look at this, tray ceiling with the crown molding. Very nice touch. All right, double window, you come around. There's the master bath, all right? Shower. All right, nice sized closet coming out. Check out the basement, all right? Central air, forced air heat, wall mounted, very efficient water heater. All right, here's a garage. You never get a garage in Fall River. Very beautiful house.